What are you doing? Huh?
Yeah.
What's 10, 12?
LOLs.
LOLs? LOLs. LOL. Like the guy from, what's that chick, Britney Spears' sister? Her show?
Jamie Lynn
iCarly?
I
What's her show called?
Zoe 101.
Zoe ¿qué?
It's the 101.
Zoe LOL. Get it?
Give me fin.
Well, give me fin. Zoe 101, get it? Zoe LOL. Uno como LA. Oh, look at the llama. Anyways, we're talking about this all my talk and lingo. What's LOL? LOL, laughing out loud. What is Rolf? Roof, rolling out loud, laughing. I don't know, something laughing on the floor, rolling on the floor, laughing. Yeah, rolling on What is it?
What is it?
Rolf. Rolf.
ROFL?
Yeah.
Ride out of.
Right of.
No, right off. Right out of.
La boca.
No, right. No.
Yeah, that's a hard one. Just say roof.
No,
Like a dog. I used to think it was like somebody's barking. Like, why would you bark? Like something's funny and people go roof. Like, why are you barking? Like in Habbo Hotel. Shut up. I'm a nerd. So what? I'm a nerd. I remember my friend, Amandy, would just say roof. And she went on for like a long time saying roof. I still don't know what it means. Until this year, I mean, I found out what it was this year, but I forgot. Something about rolling on the ground laughing. So, I don't think of it as that. I just go roof. Roof. Roof, roof. So I can say bark or meow. What about you? Touch my thumb.